What if I told you Harley just dropped a bike that blends raw power, aggressive styling, and next-level tech? That's right, today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Dyna Glide Fat Bob. This might just be the baddest cruiser of the year, or is it? Hold on tight, because we're about to break down everything from design to performance, features, and of course the price. And trust me, there's a twist coming, wait for it. Before we get started, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss an update from Ride Radar. Alright, let's roll. Design Style 1, look at the Dyna Glide Fat Bob. And you know it means business. Harley's gone all in on the aggressive styling, chunky tires, a bold stance, and that signature dual LED headlamp that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. The tank, massive, the frame, beefy, and that black on chrome finish. Absolute perfection. But here's what might surprise you, Harley has refined the ergonomics. The seat is more comfortable, and the handlebars sit at a sweet spot for both control and long-haul comfort. So, whether you're tearing up city streets or cruising the highway, you're gonna feel like an absolute boss. But does it have the performance to match the looks? Let's find out. Engine performance under the hood. Well, under the tank, the 2025 Dyna Glide Fat Bob packs a Milwaukee 8117V twin engine. That's one 923 seek of pure torque monster. It cranks out an estimated 110 horsepower and a whopping 125 lb-ft of torque. Translation: twist the throttle and this thing launches. But here's the kicker, the 2025 model gets an updated suspension setup with a Showa inverted fork and a more responsive rear monoshock. That means better handling, smoother rides, and believe it or not, cornering confidence. And for all you Harley purists wondering if the Fat Bob still growls, oh, it does. Just listen to this. Insert rev sound, audience reaction cue. Now let's talk about the tech, because Harley's packing some serious surprises. Features: technology, welcome to the future, because the 2025 Fat Bob isn't just brawn, it's got brains too. For starters, we're getting a full-color TFT display finally. No more tiny gauges. This thing gives you turn-by-turn navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and ride stats at a glance. Ride modes. You bet Sport, Rain, and Custom let you fine-tune throttle response and traction control. And safety. Harley went all in, cornering, ABS, lean-sensitive traction control, and an updated slipper clutch mean you can push harder while staying in control. But here's something nobody saw coming: adaptive cruise control. Yep, Harley's bringing high-tech touring features to the Fat Bob lineup. And I gotta say, it works beautifully on long rides. So, with all this tech, you're probably wondering, how much is this beast gonna set you back? Well, here comes the moment of truth. Price, final opinion. Alright, brace yourselves. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Dyna Glide Fat Bob starts at $22,999. Yup, it's not cheap, but for a machine that delivers style, power, and tech, it's one heck of a package. So, is it worth it? If you're after a badass, high-performance cruiser that turns heads and dominates the streets, this bike is a no-brainer. But hey, I want to hear from you. Is the new Fat Bob a dream ride or a hard pass? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next ride review.